In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create affiliate funnel by Mailerlite. This process will help you automatically deliver an affiliate offer or bonus content to people when they join a specific group. You will set up a simple automation, add a delay if you need one, design the email, and then activate the funnel so it starts running for new subscribers. To begin, log into your Mailerlite account. Make sure you are using the correct workspace or account, because you will be creating the automation inside Mailerlite's dashboard. After you are logged in, take a moment to confirm you are on the main dashboard area where the menu options are visible. Next, navigate to the Automation section and click New Automation. This is where Mailerlite lets you build sequences that trigger based on subscriber actions. When you open the new automation page, you will see options for triggers and steps. This is the part that controls when the email will be sent and what happens after the trigger. Now you will set your trigger. Find the option to set and drag a trigger that says when a subscriber joins a group. Then select the group list you want to use for your funnel. Choosing the right group matters because only subscribers who join that specific group will enter this automation. Once you have selected the correct group, save your trigger settings. Take your time here and double-check that the selected group matches the funnel you are building. After the trigger is saved, you may need a short pause before the email goes out. That is why the next step is to drag a delay step if needed. If you want the message to be delivered immediately, you can skip this. If you prefer to wait a little, use the delay step to give the subscriber time before receiving the affiliate offer. When you add the delay, set it to the amount of time you want, and then confirm it is placed in the sequence after the trigger. With the timing in place, you will now add the email that delivers your offer. Drag an email step into your automation so it comes after the delay. This email is what your new subscriber will receive, including the affiliate offer or bonus content you want to send. Once the email step is added, Mailerlite will take you into the email editor. Next, click to design your email. You will see an email design area where you can build your message. Click the button to start designing the email, and then choose Insert Link or File for your affiliate. This is where you connect your call to action, such as a button or a link, to your affiliate destination. If your offer includes a file, you can insert that as well, depending on what you are promoting. Now design the email content. Drag block options at the left side to build the layout you want. As you add blocks, keep your focus on delivering the affiliate offer clearly and directing the reader to the correct link or file. You can arrange headings, text, images, and button blocks so the message is easy to understand. While you work, keep an eye on how the email preview looks so you know it will display correctly for subscribers. After you have built the email, check the email name and sender information. This step is important because it helps your email look professional and makes it clear who the message is from. Confirm the sender name and any other email identity details are set the way you want. Once everything looks correct, click Activate the funnel. Activating is what turns your automation from a draft into a live sequence. At this point, Mailerlite will watch for subscribers to join the group you selected, and then it will follow the steps you built, including any delay and the email delivery. That is all there is to it. You have created an affiliate funnel in Mailerlite that automatically sends your offer when someone joins your chosen group, and you are ready to start converting those new subscribers into action.